Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Valentine's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Valentine's robot. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our cartoon robot, we're going to begin with the head. So to do this, I'm just going to begin by making a line that goes up. It's going to come over and down just like this. Next, we're just going to make a little line that goes across to make a nice kind of square rectangle shape for the head. Now, I want to leave some space, and I'm going to make another little line across to start the top of the body. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down on each side, and then just connect it right here. Underneath here, we're going to make two lines that come down and a line that runs right across to connect them. Now, starting here, we're going to make two little lines that come down for the neck of our little Valentine's robot. And right here, we're going to draw two lines for one leg and two lines for another leg. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes over. It's going to go down. It's going to go over and then up for a nice little rectangle foot. We'll do the same thing over here. Go over, down, over, and then right back up. Now, right here on the sides, we're going to make a little line that goes over, down, and then in for the starts of the arm. And the same thing here, over, down, and then in. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curl down, and then another little line that's going to curl down for an arm. And then I'm going to draw a little line this time that's going to curl up, and another one that's going to curl up. And we want to just draw a little line across to connect these. Now, starting here, we're going to add a little rectangle at the end of each one. And we're just going to give them some little claws. So we're just going to draw two little lines that curl down. Then I'm going to draw two little lines that go up. And then they're just going to curl in, just like that. I'll do the same thing up here. So I'm going to make a little line that goes out and in, and then another one here. I'll make two little lines that are going to go down. Then I'm just going to curl down and then curl down again. Now on the sides here, we're just going to add two skinny rectangle shapes. So all you do is go out, you're going to go down and then in. And right on the top here, I'm going to make a little half circle. So I'm going to make a line that curls up and then down. Right here, we're going to make a little line that goes up with a small circle at the top for a nice little antenna. Now for the face of my robot. I'm going to begin right here by making a nice circle shape for one of the eyes. Leave some space and we'll make another circle shape over here for the other eye. Next, you want to make a smaller circle inside each eye. Then we want to make the mouth. To do this, we're going to make a little line that goes straight across. And then we'll make a nice big curved line like this. I'll make a little line across here with a few lines coming down for our robot's mouth. Next, we want to add some details onto the body of our robot. So to do this, let's start over here and we're going to make a long, skinny rectangle. So we're going to go down, and then we'll come over on each side. Then you just want to draw a nice little line down. And then inside of here, I'm going to add a couple little circles for some buttons. Now over here, we want to make a nice big square shape right in the middle of his body. And then this time I'm going to make a skinny rectangle, but instead of putting little buttons in there, I'm going to make some little lines coming down for some small square buttons. And then since this is a Valentine's robot, we want to make a nice little heart shape in here. So you want to draw a line that's going to curve up and down. Then do the same thing here. Curl up and down again on that side. Now to finish this robot off, I like to add some little lines that go right across the arms here for some details. And then I also like to do the same thing onto the legs, just to give them a little bit more detail and make them a little bit more interesting looking. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Valentine's Day robot. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.